So, a couple years ago, there was a case in front of the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office. And the case was about whether a non human could create content that could then be copyrighted by a human who was involved, sort of. So, here were the facts. There was a photographer who was taking pictures of an animal, a monkey. And at one point, he set the camera down, and the monkey picked up the camera and took a selfie. Now, this monkey selfie became famous. It went viral. And the photographer said, I own the copyright in that photograph because it was my camera. So I want the financial benefit of that photograph. And lots of litigation, lots of stuff happened. But at the end of the day, the result was a non-human cannot create copyrightable content. The monkey pushed the button on the camera. The monkey took the photo, not the photographer. And the monkey doesn't have the right to own a copyright. That's the rule. Now, what do we do with AI? AI is not human. If you put information into AI and you use it to create your free lead gen or your course outline or write a book, do you own that? A non-human created it. Now, the non-human maybe created it based on your prompt, but you only created the prompt. These are issues that are currently being litigated today. What I want you to know today is that there is a risk that if you put your content into AI, that you are making that content public domain. If you use an AI tool to create your content, you may not have the copyrights that you think you have. You may not own that. It may be public domain because it came from an AI tool. Now, why am I telling you this? Is it because I'm mad at you for using AI? No. It's because I want you to be empowered. And I want you to understand that if you use these tools and your primary business model is making money off the content, then you may want to think about setting some different boundaries around the AI output versus the human output, right? So sure, brainstorm some blog ideas. Don't use AI to write the whole blog, for instance, or the script for the video, right? So we want to make sure we're making appropriate distinctions between brainstorming or using AI to generate an idea or maybe, some ad copy, something like that. Understanding that if you do that, someone else may come along and copy that, and you don't own the copyright in it. You may not be able to prevent them from using that content for their own commercial purposes, right? So I just want you to understand the risk. Now, there are some additional kind of things happening in the legal world to figure out, is any AI involvement enough to invalidate the copyright claim? Or is it more like a 51-49? Was it more AI or more human, right? We don't know yet. Do you want to be the test case? I don't think I want to be the test case. That's a personal opinion. But let me know in the comments. Have you used AI to create content? Did you create your lead gen that way? Have you used it to create content or art or anything online? What do you think about that? Let me know what you think. I want to know.